Hey guys, and welcome to the fourth part of Top Excel Hacks. In this session, I'm going to show you how to convert number into text currency easily. Let's see together. In this window, you can see here that there is many numbers that I want to change it into text currency. First of all, press Alt F11 and in here click on Insert, click on Model, and in this part, paste this code. You can find this code in the description below. Let's see the process. Select them all. Just a copy, again back to Excel, and in here press Ctrl V or paste it. Yes, you can see here when you paste it, just close it. And now in here, if you type this code, USD, choose this text, hit enter. Yes, take a look. If you double click in here, yes, you can see this. All these numbers just convert to text currency here. And if you change any of them, like I'm gonna change it to $19.30. So you can see here that it's $19.30. And it was how to convert number into text currency in Excel. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and do not miss our next videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Good luck.